How to promote YouTube video and channel with Google Ads. Are you looking to boost the visibility of your YouTube videos and channel? Using Google Ads is an effective strategy to reach a larger audience. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to promote your YouTube content using Google Ads. Step 1. Set up your Google Ads account. First, you'll need a Google Ads account. If you don't have one, go to ads.google.com and sign up. Link your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel to allow seamless promotion of your videos. Step 2. Create a new campaign. Once your accounts are linked, create a new campaign. Choose the campaign goal that aligns with your objectives. For promoting YouTube videos, the best options are sales, leads, website traffic, or product and brand consideration. Select video as the campaign type. Step 3. Define your target audience. Targeting is crucial for effective advertising. Define your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Google Ads allows you to get specific, so consider who your ideal viewer is. For instance, if your channel is about tech reviews, target users interested in technology and gadgets. Step 4. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Next, set a daily or campaign budget. Decide how much you're willing to spend per day or for the entire campaign. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your goals, such as maximum CPV, cost per view, or target CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions. Step 5. Create your ad. Now, create your video ad. You can promote an existing video from your channel or upload a new one. Write a compelling headline and description to grab viewers' attention. Make sure your video content is engaging and has a clear call to action. Step 6. Review and launch. Before launching, review your campaign settings. Check your targeting options, budget, and ad content. Make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied, click Launch Campaign. Step 7. Monitor and optimize. After your campaign is live, monitor its performance. Google Ads provides detailed analytics on views, clicks, and engagement. Use this data to optimize your campaign. Adjust your targeting, budget, or ad content to improve results. Conclusion. Promoting your YouTube videos and channel with Google Ads can significantly increase your reach and engagement. By following these steps and continually optimizing your campaign, you'll be on your way to growing your audience and achieving your goals.